Okay, now we're in our jumpy seat. This is about the second time that we've been in it. We seem to like it, but we're camera shy. Kirsten! Kirsten! Turn around this way. Turn around. There she is. Just a coughing. Bless you. Bless you. There she goes, bouncing around. She's still a little sick. Well, we hope she's getting better. Bounce for us. Bounce a little bit. There you go. Okay. See you later. If we could just understand what you were saying.
It's the second wind.
Yeah, it's 9 o'clock. She just got through eating. Now decides she wants to squeal some.
After almost falling asleep.
Mm-hmm. It's Herm. Herm the worm. Say hey to Herm. Yeah, hey Herm. Look at that tum-tum. You're just coming on out.
She's lost weight though. Since her little sickness.
Still got cute feet though. You are something else. Well, really 4.5 now, isn't she? Oh, that was good. I just full frame squeal there. See her little bruise where her IV was in the hospital.
It's there, and here's the one where they tried to do it.
Uh-huh. Didn't get it done so good. She can still wear her little River Oak shirt though. Well, it's become a little short shirt.
She likes those fingers.
Yes, she does. Look, she's working her way off the mat. Look. You making us laugh. She just likes to hear herself. Kirsten? What you doing? What you doing, Kirsten? Kirsten. 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 There she is.
You ought to be on this side.
Yeah, we got a good view. Whoop, there's a sneeze. I love that. Oh, eat the worm, eat the worm. What's that worm doing?
He come get you. He
The
come
worm
get you.
gonna get you.
He come get you.
Mommy's getting your legs. Get her tummy. Yeah, blow on her tummy. Good. Hey. What's he doing to you? What's Mommy doing? Huh? I think she might be tired out a little bit. This squeal's not quite as loud, man. Yeah, me too. She's the only one that's live wired. You're not sleepy, are you? You're putting on a show.
Whoops.
Uh-huh. Oh, goodness. Good thing she's screaming loud. Throwing that back up, look at that. She's working her way off the pallet now. That's how she does it. She lifts her back. We see you. You getting off over there, though. Come on back over here. Hey. Hey, pretty girl. Hey, pretty girl. It's about over.
Yeah.
She's running the course. Move her back up on the pallet a little bit. Let's see if she just doesn't like it out there.
Oh, my ear.
Uh-huh.
Oh,
Where you at on it?
my ear.
Is she gonna be an opera singer?
What does this mean?
I don't know.
She's not mad. She's having fun.
Yeah, she's about to get mad though.
Mm-hmm.
For some reason, I don't know why it's all of a sudden like. Maybe she just wears herself out. You showing us your tum tum? You showing us your tum tum? Are you getting mad? Huh? Are you ready to quit? Get a close up of that mug. Now she's getting mad. Oh, you're gonna love this one day. Yes, you are. This is what we're gonna show your boyfriends. Okay. Okay, we won't. I was just joking.
Mary.
Right. Then we'll show it. All right, I guess you through showing off now. Wait, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Plug her up.
It's kind of cold now.
Well, we'll put a blanket on her.
Is this what she's gonna sleep in?
Yeah. Put a blanket on
She's gonna kick it off over there.
her. There's the boss. We do what the boss says. Okay, we can put her back in the other stuff
Well, I
then.
don't want her to get cold.
Oh, okay. We've got the air conditioner on.